everyone, welcome to Voice of Pacificwide, and today we have our CEO, Mr. Leon Le, with us. Hello, Mr. Leon Le. Hello, can you say hi?
Good morning, Min Chao, and good morning, everybody. Now it's the afternoon, but I always say good morning, so don't be surprised.
Because he said that, so I have to explain why he say good morning anytime he sees someone in the office. Oh, why don't you explain it?
No, it will be a long explanation, but every time when I say good morning and people feel a little bit surprised or sometimes like a shock, they say, what is it today? Are you in different country? Are you in the US time zone? And say, no, I am still around you just because I want to refresh you for a long day working. So let's start the day every day. Every time we just start it, it's never ended. So this would be a long explanation, but basically, I just want you to be, refreshed every time.
Okay, so he want to make people feel like every time he see them, everything is the beginning of everything else. So
yes.
Not the end, not never the end.
Never end.
The beginning of something awesome gonna happen.
Yes.
Just like we are entering to 2026. We are at the beginning of the year, right? That's amazing. We have a long time for the year, so we look forward to it. So that's amazing. And of course, Leon is our CEO, our mortgage, our brokers, and he was the one who created Pacificwide. So we asked him to come join our Voice of Pacificwide because he has so much knowledge. And because his background was engineering, so he knows so much, and he also liked to watch news and understand and study economics and stuff. That's why he has so much knowledge. So I want him to be here to share with us, so that when you watch our show, you understand the market and you can make the right decision for your real estate investment or your home purchase. It's so important, because home purchase is the biggest investment you make for your life. So that's why we bring Leon here to serve you. So I have the first question for Leon.
Oh, how many questions will you have?
Maybe one, maybe three, maybe 10.
Okay.
Depend on your answer, right?
I try my best.
Okay. So first of all, what do you see the U.S. labor right now, and how does it affect our real estate market?
Wow, it's going to be long and also a short answers for it. Now, we just learned it, and the news just came out last week and also yesterday. The laboring market, the laboring market in January have sent us a mixed signals. There is a layoffs announcement from the companies. Also, they have a very good hiring from the companies. So 130,000 new jobs created last month in January, beginning of 2026. And also have about 110, actually is a more precise number, is 108,000 to 109,000 jobs are now to be laid off, which means losing. We're losing about 108. So hiring, laying off is about balancing.
But
so
the hiring is still more?
It's a bit more. It surprised people, because people didn't expect that. The economy did not expect we have a much hiring in January. But now we have 130,000 jobs created in January.
So that's a good news.
That's a good news.
Yeah.
In 2025, this is not a good year for hiring. Many people is losing job. Many people is getting job, but it's a kind of break even in 2025. It's not a good year.
Yeah.
But the beginning of 2026, we have a better news. And that's actually is affecting the economy. It sends mixed signals. Now we know that the Federal Reserve and also the economy always watching for the laboring information data, because this laboring is working in employment is a key of the economy growth.
Of course.
Without the jobs, people don't spend.
Because they
Without
have
a
no
job,
money.
they have no money to spend. right?
right.
So everything is actually circling as many other factors as well, but everything is creating the jobs.
Right.
They want people to create, and in order to create, we have a jobs too. Yeah.
That's awesome. So, so you see, what do you see in the next 6 months, 6 months, 9 months? Do you think, from your opinion, we will have more jobs and or less jobs? What do you think?
It's a very good question. I think it will take some time. There will be a few more months to understand, to know the number. However, I have a very positive belief that our economy going to the right direction and getting better. Now we seeing people just coming back to the labor market. I see the companies laying off people. Actually, it's not really the business they are doing is not okay or going bad, but actually it's going to be better. They try to restructuring the company. They changing the strategy direction. The first thing is they try to maintain the profit for the company. Secondly, there is a change in the technology. For example, the AI technology, artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Many companies they closing the audio department, but they're opening the new job to enter to the AI industry.
I see.
So
what,
it's changing jobs.
So I just want to recap what you just shared. Leon saying, even though we see companies that laying off people, like the number he shared with us at the beginning, 110,000 job will be laying off. But he said that the company that laying off 110,000 employees, they are not laying off employee because they are running out of business, or they closing down business, or they get weaker. They just restructure their business, and they are doing well. And they laying off people that they don't need anymore, so that they can maintain the profits because of new technology, like AI, and then at the same time they hire people with new skills. Same thing, AI. Like people with new skills can come in and help so much more, so that, you know, it's sad for people who have to leave work, but then at the same time they're going to hire more people. So this also means that the economy going into a good path. So that means, can you share more, like, with that? What is your prediction in the real estate market ongoing?
Yeah, to continue and also closing the laboring information and data and shifting in the employment. So there is employment is a shifting from the old technology traditional way to business to the automation and also AI business. That's why we have a change in laboring. So many people are losing jobs just because they don't do it the old way, the traditional way. Now it's a company, they have to use the new technology, the AI. They can replace a few more people instead of just one tool and a new way, the automated way. And anyway, coming back to answer your question, here's the thing. In 2025, the economy and also, and particularly real estate and mortgage, I believe it's going into a lot more transaction activities in real estate. Mortgage rates on the way to going down are the same and going down. The Fed did not cut the interest rate last month. However, in the next coming month, you will see that I think, as I predicted, there will be more interest rate cut for this year. Okay, now, and that will be, and also the data, the employment, and also the economy overall, the capital, the existing data, the infrastructure, and also the jobs creation will have the economy going up this year. Now, it will have a people with a tax benefit as well, because last time we talked about a tax benefit, taxation policy, regulation will have everybody has some more money in their wallets, a pocket. And that will create a higher demand for the buyers to purchase, to acquire the real estate. Not talking about the mainly several tax policy that the Donald Trump administration tried to impose or apply this year for the senior homeowners. Have you heard about the tax exemption, property tax exemption? That might not be there yet, but actually it will affecting people thinking. So it will help the economy and also overall and also real estate market.
So what he's sharing, Leon just shared with us that the real estate market gonna be busy again. So meaning more people gonna buy homes, and maybe more people gonna sell home, right? And that means that the reason he giving us that the reason is the interest rate going down, because it's been going down the last 5-7 days, been going down a lot. Because rate going down, more people will want to buy houses because they waited for this day. They've been waiting. So when people jump in to buy a house, some people buy house the first time. Some people exchange homes, right? They've been in the house for so long, now they want to buy another house and maybe sell the other one. So we're going to have more and more transaction going on in the real estate market. And I think last time we already predict the home price going to go up. It's always, when you talk about home price, it's about demand and supply. When more people jump in the market to buy, we need more demand. And when more demand, that means people are going to compete for one house and they will beat up the price. So that's how home price is going to go up. And you should talk to one of us to see when is the best time to buy, because we're going to sit down with you to give you some specific numbers so you know when is the best time to buy. And if you have any question, you can call Leon directly. He can help you. Leon can help you answer all questions you need. And his number is 408-393, no, 646-0893. His number is 408-646-0893.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, MC. And I just want to let you know that actually at this point, I'm seeing so many buyers getting into the market and try to buy the first home in just the last 30 days.
Yeah.
And people feel more comfortable, affordable to purchase a home now. And the way people, the mentality of the buyers, when they see first people buy, they will follow. And that's create a momentum of buying. And if anyone want to purchase quite a home, buy the first home this year, you should do it now, as early as possible. Don't wait, because I believe the inventory now is still a lot of homes available for you to choose, but don't wait for the next couple months. It's maybe try now, and this will be harder, and we might end up to pay a little bit higher in the next few months.
So if you wait for rate to be lower to buy home, you might end up paying for the same home but higher price. And when you pay for the same home with higher price because you wait, your monthly payment, even though with a lower rate, it might not be a smaller amount. So Leon just give you a very good advice. So jump into the market ASAP if you are planning to buy. And also, before we end this today, I just want to let you know, Leon, beside who doing real estate in residential, like single family, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, he also do commercial real estate. So if you want to buy a $20 million buildings, like an industrial building or a manufacturing buildings or anything like a gas station, hotel, apartments, anything like that, Leon is really experienced. He has so much experience in real estate commercial, and he also can help you with commercial loans. So if you have any question regarding to real estate commercial loan, business SBA loans, Leon is the one stop. And his number 408-393-2068. For me, you can contact me with residential loans. I'm here available for you, 408-393-2068. And by the way, we have very good rate for second mortgage or HELOC line. if you need cash for any reason, and you don't want to touch your first mortgage because your first mortgage have very low interest rate, like 2.5%, we never need to touch it. We only need to help you to get the cash from the second mortgage. Contact me ASAP right now. Is the best time to get your second mortgage and get the money out, spend it the way you want to. You know, you are rich. The money in your house. So call me 408-393-2068. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, we're gonna do our show at this time, like about 5 p.m., not 12 noon. I think because Leon is so busy, at 12 noon he's just like everywhere. I cannot catch him, so I have to change the time to 5 p.m. Thank you so much for being patient.
Thank you.